The workshop, which brought together a diverse group of farmers, aimed to address critical challenges in food preservation and management, a pressing issue in Sierra Leone's agricultural sector. The training sessions covered various aspects of food reserve management. President of the Farmers Association, Ahmed Moksen Sise, expressed his enthusiasm for the initiative, emphasizing its importance in empowering farmers with the knowledge and skills needed to minimize the value of their produce.
This is what the training is about, just to give the necessary skills, how they could be able to preserve and also store their farming commodities so that they will maintain the quality, and when they sell them out, they will have more price. So once you register with the Ministry of Agriculture, then you also register as a member of a National Association of Farmers. You should be able to get this kind of benefit. But what I want to request from all farmers in this country that food security of fish alone is the total responsibility of we, the grassroots farmers, the peasant farmers. We constitute over 90% of the farming population, so we have to be the lead. And also, the government should continue to give support to farmers so that they should be able to increase acreage under cultivation. And also, we have piloted the idea that farming is not a way of life as it used to be, business as usual. Now we want farmers to have the thinking that farming is a way of business.
The facilitators of the workshop also shared their satisfaction with the farmers' engagement and responsiveness. They noted that the participants showed a keen understanding of the concept taught and demonstrate a strong commitment to applying these practices in their respective communities.
The workshop is on local food reserves, training storekeepers, managers of cooperatives, and the executive of cooperatives in this nation on how to reserve food to encourage food security. Most of the methodologies and skills and techniques were applied, and we held the participants very much active from scratch to finish of each module. So it was very impressive, and their participation was great. The level we are expecting is far above what we got from them.
These farmers that we have already trained, they are going out again to train their co-farmers or colleague farmers. So we are encouraging them to do the right thing. When you are storing your goods, you should store the goods properly so it can be used for consumption, or when we the consumer are using it, it could be better for our health. I'm encouraging all farmers to be part of the National Association of Farmers so you can benefit.
Participants of the training expressed their gratitude for the opportunity to learn from experts in the field. They praised the new leadership of the association, noting that the training has renewed their confidence in the organization's direction.
National Association of Farmers of Sierra Leone could be trusted. They could be trusted because they have the capacity. They have a very good leadership. The new leadership in the person of Mr. Ahmed Moksen Sise. I mean, he's a middle-aged man, and indeed a true farmer, a sincere farmer, a committed farmer, and very sincere in terms of leadership from what we've seen these few months from his assumption. Even bringing this workshop to the central part of Sierra Leone, this is the novelty. It has never happened. Formerly, it was just Freetown. Now, he brought this workshop to the central part of Sierra Leone that is really exposing the organization to the grassroots farmers.
This workshop, cooperative, it will make our land work from Monday to today. Our land work and by God in power, it then Sami Hill. Afiku, Agradi Sami Hat, Agradi on site. We can learn about store management, we can learn about business, we can learn Montamayu for reserve, planning committee, they learn beaucoup. Even we self with the farmer then. Whereas go down dry. Once you take and put our own pots. Now we don't can get land. You for reserve. Always reserve for day. We don't can land day. We don get land. If it down to the something, what would it work?
The skills acquired by these farmers are expected to have a lasting impact on food security and economic resilience in the country. Reporting for Central University Television, I am Marama Precious Halabi.